Hazrat Qatada narrates that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu narrated to him, some people of the Okl and Oraina tribes came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, pronounced the article of Islam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle, we raise animals and are not cultivators, so the climate of Medina does not suit us. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon issued orders to give them some camels, milchy camels and a shepherd, and asked them to go out of the city and consume milk and urine of the she-camels. They went until when they reached Harra. They lapsed from Islam into infidelity, slew the shepherd dispatched by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and drove away the camels. When the news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched a few men in their pursuits. They proceeded watching the traces and fetched them. So the hot needles were passed through their eyes, and their hands and feet were cut off. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam issued orders to cast them near Harra, and at last they died in the same state. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5727.